Hey, stop right there. Welcome. Today we're trading on binary options, pocket options, as always. So welcome to my channel. Today we have a great two strategies, so don't go away. Let's get started. At the end of the video, you can take for free my giveaway. I'll give you my part of the profit from today. So share this video with your friends. You can increase your chances. Let's go. So we are on the broker, and as I said, we have today two strategies. I'll show you the first strategy right now. So OTC market we have today. Also, all the currency pairs I have already been selected. High percentage of payments because of the OTC. And after analyzing the movement for today, I came to the conclusion that is the best solution for first strategy is gonna be searching for all four extreme points and also navigate according to the trend. Now, and next indicator is gonna help us fractal and double down chain channel. First one we'll have with a period of 10, the second we'll have with a period of 20, and also the SSI isolator with a period of 15 in order to observe the oversold and overbought areas. We will also have it today. Based on them, I suggest start with a transaction of 800. What do you think? I think that's great. So let me start the analysis. Okay, short position, guys, in the direction of the actual trend. You may see. Let me just highlight the workspace for you. So, trend has a very strong downward dynamics on this currency pair. We touched the two upper moving averages of our double channel indicator. Our fractal was also updated, and there is an extreme point appeared, right? We have further dynamics. It should go down the trend. I also observed the behavior of the moving lines of the oscillator and see a way out of the overbought area along it. So concluded that our further dynamics should go down the trend. So let's watch the results. We have 8 seconds left. And little mace. Okay, we're in a minus. All right. The candlestick closed not as I wanted. So yeah, first position just screwed. Let me select the amount. Let's use full balance. And let's continue. I will trade up those money. Okay, long position here, guys. We open here again against the trend. New extremum point is formed and the moving line has touched the oversold area. Therefore, I think that a slight rollback of the dynamics here should occur in about a minute or two. Before this, about 4 candles had a very long body and very strong impulsive movement. I waited, then set the required opening level, and we have an update of new local minimum, right? And only then I opened the deal. I decided not to open the deal right away since the result of the previous deal made me very sad. I don't like this, so I tried to choose the most favorable opening level, and this deal is gonna be in the profits. Yep, just like that. You see, strategy works, but in the previous trade, the candlestick just sucks. You know, I don't like this candlestick. Go away, candlestick. So let's continue. Short position, guys. An excellent entry into the trade, by the way. Pay attention to the behavior of the moving line of the oscillator. It has already gone far beyond the overbought area. So we have a new extremum point is being formed here. two moving lines of channel indicators have touched. The entry logic is absolutely the same as in the previous transactions, so there's nothing complicated, guys. We will expect a downward movement. Let's watch the results of this transaction. All right, and we're in the profits again. So that's right, strategy works, guys. That's great. The candlestick showed great sharp downward impulse, and the trade was closed in the plus. So probably this was the return of luck from the first trade, guys. It was a shame that we closed the first trade in the negative, but now we're a little lucky. But in reality, the movement should go down. In fact, you can see for yourself that the movement really goes down. The price goes down in the deal and a profit. Let me change the amount and continue. Finally, position, guys. At the formation of a new candle, I decided to open two long positions. In general, I think that the pullback should already form and our price should go up in the next minute or two. In general, this will be enough for me. Again, the same logic for entering entering all the trades. Nothing complicated. Excellent. Downward dynamics, by the way, appeared earlier. There was also a touch of two moving lines of channel indicator, and we also have an exit from the oversold area of the oscillator should now occur, and the dynamics of the moment should go up, which is why there are two long positions open against the actual trend, by the way. So let's see the results. And 3, 2, 1. Yep. We're in the profits. That's great, guys. Okay, let's finish with this first, with the first strategy. Quite bad beginning, I guess. I think because the first position in minus sucked. Alright, a transfer deposit. Let's move to the second position. Second strategy, sorry. So guys, second strategy with the next indicators such as alligator, fractal with absolutely default settings on this broker, and also CCI oscillator with a period of 10. In general, today we will watch the trend. As I said earlier, look for local highs and lows. Of course, monitor the oversold and overbought areas. My current balance is just under 1,000, so yeah, just try it a bit, few positions. I propose to start with the exact amount, open positions for entire current balance, since I carried out a high quality and quite detailed analysis for you for second strategy, so I will be confident in my transactions. So let's continue. And here, for example, long position goes in. Previously, upward dynamics prevailed on this currency pair. Then, after updating the local price maximum, our price went into a correction, and the dynamics of the movement followed down. But then, after updating the price minimum, right here, for example, our price dynamics turned around again and began to show their upward direction, which is why I conclude here that further dynamics and activity should go upward. I also pay attention to the moving lines of the alligator. They crossed each other and all moving lines went up. This is a good signal to open a long position, by the way, especially since a small price rollback had previously prevailed. So we have 5 seconds. Let's just wait, and we are in the profits. Nice. First position is in profit, not like before the first position is in minus. So yeah, it was quite dangerous at one moment, if you saw, when the candle showed a sharp downward impulse. But it's alright. The deal was closed in profit. The entry logic was absolutely correct, and we're pleased with the results. Let's change the amount and let's continue. Okie doke, the long position goes in. I think the opening. And by the way, this is a very good entry into the transaction. I think the opening level plus or minus is acceptable and suitable for me. Previously here on the particular currency pair, the price moved by several, I would even say a lot, price levels were higher, and there was also a strong price correction. Our movement kept going downwards, and then after the local price minimum was like updated again we had an upward dynamics on this currency pair, and with this in the upward trend of the average dynamics, we had a very good price pullback here, quite impulsive, right? And it is on this price pullback that I will win back and open two long positions. In general, all the moving lines of the alligator are also directed upward. I also, of course, followed them and actually closed their trades in the profit. That's why, guys. So everything happened exactly as I said. It will be 100% satisfied with today's profit. So I'll proceed to the conclusion, guys. I wish you understood how to work with this strategy. Alright, operation successfully done, guys. I wish you like these two strategies. Try it on, use it. Don't forget to leave a comments about it. What's the experience? How much you win profits. So don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions to YouTube and Telegram channel. Links below in the description. Have a good market. Bye bye.